Alright, there's this peculiar case of a Redmi Note 9 that keeps rebooting when I connect it to the charger, and it has been taking me around that I actually tried to replace a resistor on the motherboard. However, let me just show you how it behaves with its original battery. I've plugged it into the charger and you can feel it vibrate and then restart and then vibrate, then restart. However, when I test with another battery, which is this one, which doesn't belong to it but share the same connector, but they're both from Redmi. Let me plug it in. I have plugged it in and I'm going to connect to the charger and see what happens. I've plugged in the charger and this one proceeds to come normally to that, and then is able to charge 40%. Now when I power on, it will be able to. Let me hit the power button. I've hit the power button, it lit up, but I think I didn't long. Okay, I've pressed it long and it is booting up. So if you ask me what I'm going to do, I'm going to transplant that battery management circuit from this battery that has worked with it into the older battery, and then I proceed with it. Let's wait for it to boot. I think if possible, I'll show you the final result. It takes its time to boot. I'm tempted to pause and resume, but I guess we're going to wait it together. And then I think let me proceed to also perform the surgery that I want to perform on it, and show you that in a bit. And while we are still on our other battery, the one that belongs to it is here disconnected, and we've plugged in the white one. Still booting. Interesting. That's longer than anyone would imagine. All right, so it has booted up, and now let's proceed to finalize the solution. So let me disconnect that battery. It's really hot. Disconnect that battery and we proceed. So this is the control board that I'm going to transplant from this to the. First, let me disconnect the screen and the lower subboard connector to be able to remove this. All right, so we have transplanted the control board, and this is the old. So let's place it and power on the device. Plug it in right there. Should first plug in these other connectors, then plug it in, then plug that one in, then we hit the power button. Okay, hitting the power button, it boots up. Okay, also this battery had run low, so I'm will hook it to the charger and wait for it to gain some. All right, so we are at 4%. Let's hit the power button. So it's now booting up. It takes its time, but we'll be closing as it boots up. Yep, so it's here, it's done. So yep, in case you have such a challenge, at least I've given you a way out.